So these are the skates. Yeah, it's time. It is time that I learnt to roller skate. So, hi guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for tuning into my vlog. Today I have a different sort of video. I'm starting a new hobby and I thought you might be interested to know what it is. Obviously from the thumbnail you can see, but yeah, it's roller skating. I'm not great at roller skating, I have to say. In fact, I tried when I was about 10 and failed miserably, and I thought actually now I've got a bit of time, it's a really good time to learn to roller skate. Have a look at what I bought. So these are the skates. Yeah, it's time. It is time that I learnt to roller skate. So, and this is what I bought. Leave a comment below, guys. Tell me what you think. What do you think of the colours? They are really, really nice. Oops, got two stuck together. That's no good. Heel. I wasn't sure about that, but I thought actually maybe that will stop me from kind of going backwards a bit. I don't know, perhaps. And they have a brake, because I'm definitely going to need a brake. So yeah, that is what my skates look like. Guys, just a quick add-on for those of you that were wondering what was on the memory card, the little memory card that I found, and I said, oh, it's awesome, it's going to be amazing. Unfortunately, I put it in the computer and there was nothing on it. So I haven't bothered making a video about it because I thought, well, there's just nothing to show you, there's nothing on there. So that was unfortunate, but I'm just glad that nobody lost any of their precious photographs. So yeah, that was it. Quick update over with. So that is what they're like, guys. I've got a few stickers which are quite cool, came in the box. Loco. And they are really, really cool. I love them to bits. Whether I can go on them is another matter. So guys, if you would like to see how I get on with these, and there will be another video up in a couple of days, please do subscribe. That would be awesome to have you guys on board to join Team Tiny Trekker. And yeah, you can see how I get on with these. So guys, yeah, thank you for watching. It was a bit quick video, but I wanted to just update you with what I'm up to. And yeah, keep happy. Hope everybody is well. Still lockdown-ish, but hopefully things will start to get back to normal fairly soon, as long as everybody is sensible, and that's the really important thing. And the most important thing is that everybody's well, and that you're looking after yourselves, kind of not just physically but mentally as well, because that's really important. So make sure you phone friends that you haven't spoken to for a while. Make sure you keep in touch with family and friends, because that's so important. And if you have been unlucky and you've lost any loved ones, my heart really goes out to you. And please guys, make sure that you've got that support around you. Please make sure that you do contact your friends and family members for support, because that's so important. And thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Take care.